Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I make cornmeal porridge. So stay tuned. So guys, I got all the ingredients right now that I need to make this porridge. I got some Carnation evaporated milk. I got some coconut milk. I got nutmeg. I got some cinnamon powder. I got some almond extract. This is very strong, so can't use a lot of that. We got vanilla, and we got the cornmeal. We also got some cinnamon stick and cinnamon leaf that it comes from Jamaica. Whenever time I visit Jamaica, I usually try to come back with some spices. So this is cinnamon right here. I'm also gonna use that. So this is the pot that I'm gonna make it in, and I like to mix my cornmeal up before I put it in the pot. So stay tuned guys, and I'll show you guys the next step. So guys, I got some water in the pot, and I put the cinnamon leaf and cinnamon stick. I'm gonna add a little salt to the water, and I'm gonna start mixing up the cornmeal. Stay tuned. I'm not making a big pot, so I don't want to use too much cornmeal, so I think this should be good. I might add a little bit more to that, so I'm just gonna mix up all the ingredients with it. So stay tuned guys. I'm about to pour the coconut milk in. Mix it up. I'll put the rest of the stuff in there guys, so stay tuned. So I put all the ingredients guys. I got the nutmeg in there, I got the almond extract, I got the vanilla, and I also got some of the powder cinnamon. So I'm about to stir this up and wait for the pot to come a boil, and then I'm gonna pour this stuff in and start making the porridge. I gotta give it a little bit more time for the pot to boil. So the pot is boiling guys. So I got everything ready, everything mixed up nice. Looks yummy already, and it's not even finished. So I'm gonna pour this into the pot. So I'm gonna stir it. I have to keep stirring it, for a little bit, and then I'm gonna leave it for it to boil and get a little thick. So I like to have it get thicker than this. So it got thick. So I'm gonna put a cover on there and just let it simmer. Put the cover on there, guys, and leave that to a simmer, and then I'll come back and check. So guys, it's been boiling for a while. You don't want this to splash up and burn you because it's very hot. So it's to where I want it. So I'm gonna turn the stove off, and I'm gonna sweeten it with some sugar and some sweet milk. So stay tuned, guys. So guys, here's the milk I'm gonna use to sweeten the porridge, and I got some sugar here. So I'm just gonna put the amount of milk and sugar that I need to sweeten it, and then I can enjoy. Milk, sweet milk, a lot of milk in there. And guys, I'm gonna add some sugar. And I'm gonna stir it up and make sure it's sweet enough. Stay tuned. So when I'm eating. So guys, ready to share this out. Nice bowl of porridge. So what I love to do is I like to have hard dough bread with my porridge, or if I don't have hard dough bread, I could use potato bread, or my favorite, cream crackers. Yeah man, goes great with some cornmeal porridge. Yeah, I break it up inside. Stay tuned guys, I'm gonna show you how I do it. So guys, I have to take my crackers. I'm going to take them and break them up. Break the crackers up in there. Taste the cinnamon, coconut flavor. It's really good. So guys, I'm gonna enjoy my porridge. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, hit the notification bell so you'll be the first to get the videos when I put them out. Thanks again for watching. Please and thanks. I'm out.